Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever felt like someone just can't let go of you? No matter how much you pull back, they come closer. No matter how quiet you get, they get louder. No matter how distant you become, they keep watching, waiting, needing you. And deep down, you ask yourself, do they really love me? Or are they just attached to me? Here is the hard truth. Sometimes, it's not love. It's addiction. They are not in love with you. They are addicted to how you make them feel. And if you are not careful, this kind of connection will slowly drain your energy, your peace, and your power. Because when someone depends on you for their emotions, you start losing control of your own. But today, that changes. In this video, you are going to learn why people become addicted to you, how this affects your life, and most important, how to take your power back using simple Stoic ideas. And before we go any further, I want you to do something. Drop this in the comments right now. I choose my peace over anyone's control. Say it like you mean it, because today, you are choosing yourself. Number 1. They are not addicted to you. They are addicted to the feeling. Let's be honest. People don't get addicted to a person. They get addicted to a feeling. The way you listen to them, the way you give them attention, the way you make them feel safe, seen, and important. You became something they needed. Maybe you gave them comfort when they felt alone. Maybe you gave them validation when they felt insecure. Maybe you gave them peace when their life felt chaotic. And now, they don't want to lose that. But listen carefully. That does not mean they love you. It means they depend on you. There is a big difference. A Stoic idea says, you have power over your mind, not outside events. That means their feelings are not your responsibility. Their attachment is not your job to fix. But many people fall into this trap. They start thinking, maybe I should help them more. They need me. I don't want to hurt them. And slowly, they lose themselves. You're not here to carry someone else's emotions. You're not here to be someone's emotional support system 24/7. Next time you feel responsible for someone's emotions, stop. Ask yourself, is this mine to carry? If the answer is no, let it go. Because every time you carry something that is not yours, you become weaker. Number 2, attachment is not love. It is control. A lot of people confuse attachment with love. They think, if they can't live without me, that means they love me. No, that means they rely on you. Love gives freedom. Attachment takes freedom away. Love says, I want you to be happy, even if I'm not always there. Attachment says, I need you. I can't function without you. That is not love. That is emotional control. The Stoics believed in inner freedom. No one is free who is not in control of themselves. If someone needs you to feel okay, they are not free. And if you let them depend on you like that, you are not free either. Create space. You don't need to answer every message right away. You don't need to always be there. Let there be silence. Let there be distance. This is not being rude. This is protecting your peace. When you step back, you will start seeing things clearly. Number 3, your power is in how you respond. Let's talk about something important. Their actions are not the problem. Your reaction is, they text too much, they get emotional, they overreact. And what do? You reply fast, you explain everything, you try to calm them down, and in that moment, you give your power away. The Stoics were very clear about this. If you are upset, it is not because of what happened, but how you see it. That means your reaction is your choice, not theirs. Next time they trigger you, pause. Don't reply right away. Take a deep breath. Give yourself time. Then respond calmly, or don't respond at all. That pause is where your power is. Number 4. Stop feeding the addiction. Here is the truth most people don't want to hear. If someone is addicted to you, it's because you keep feeding it. You give them attention, you give them time, you give them emotional energy, and they keep coming back for more. Not because they're strong, but because you made it easy. The Stoics believed in discipline, not just in big moments, but in small daily choices. You don't have to reply to every message. You don't have to explain everything. You don't have to keep them comfortable. Let them feel your absence, because when you stop feeding the addiction, it starts to break. Number 5. Detach without losing your heart. Detachment does not mean being cold. It means being in control. You can care about someone without losing yourself. You can love someone without being controlled by them. The Stoics believed in balance. Care, but do not cling. That means you stay kind, but you stay strong. Talk less. Observe more. Don't rush to fix everything. Don't rush to respond to every emotion. Watch their behavior. Understand it, but don't let it control you. When you step back emotionally, you start seeing the truth. Number 6. Know your worth. This changes everything. Everything changes when you know your value. When you don't know your worth, you accept anything. You tolerate bad behavior. You feel guilty for saying no. You stay in situations that drain you. But when you know your worth, you move differently. You protect your time. You protect your energy. You choose yourself. The Stoics never chased approval. What others think of you is not your truth. So if someone is addicted to you, that does not make you special. It just means they are empty inside. And it is not your job to fill that emptiness. Every day, ask yourself, am I respecting myself right now? If the answer is no, change your actions. Number 7. Silence is power. You don't need to argue. You don't need to explain. You don't need to defend your peace. Silence is powerful. Because people who are addicted to you, they expect reactions, they expect attention, they expect emotional energy. And when you don't give it, they feel it. The Stoics understood this deeply. Wise people speak less. Stop over-explaining yourself. Keep your answers short. Set your boundaries quietly. Let your actions speak. Silence protects your energy. And your energy is everything. Number 8. Take your power back fully. This is the most important part. Taking your power back is a decision, a daily decision. You decide, I will not be controlled. I will not be drained. I will not lose myself for someone else. The Stoics believed, you are your only true source of strength. So stop giving that strength away. Set clear boundaries. Control your emotions. Protect your time. Choose yourself every day. This is not selfish. This is necessary, because if you don't protect your energy, no one else will. Now you understand the truth. This is not about them. This is about you, your peace, your energy, your power. And once you take that power back, everything changes. You feel stronger. You think clearer. You live better. But remember, this only works if you take action, not tomorrow, not later, right now. So before you leave, drop this final affirmation in the comments. I take my power back. I choose myself every day. If this video made you think, if it made you feel something real, make sure you subscribe, because here we build strong minds, calm emotions, and powerful lives. Stay calm, stay strong, and never give your power away again.